Let's look at Pictory's pricing. It's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in today's video I've got something very special for you. I have been promoting this AI video tool called Pictory as an affiliate for over a year now, and I have recently become a VIP affiliate, so I am able to offer a special discount to my viewers only if anyone wants to go on and use a paid version of Pictory. If you don't know what Pictory is, it is an AI video tool that can repurpose long videos into lots of short videos, and you can also create a completely original video just from a blog post. This is probably my favorite feature, so you can just grab blog posts and turn them into faceless YouTube videos or videos for any of your other social media platforms. And these are sometimes a bit hard to monetize with Google AdSense, but you can monetize them really easily by doing affiliate marketing. You should check out some of the other videos on my channel if you want to learn how to make money online with faceless content. So basically, on to the Pictory pricing. You will save 15% if you purchase an annual plan. But because I am a VIP affiliate, you can see here on my affiliate back end that I have a special code that I can offer to my friends and followers, and you will get a 20% discount coupon. This works even for a monthly subscription. So basically you'll get 15% off if you buy it for a year. If you use my code, you'll get 15% off and then a further 20% off, so a total saving of 35%, which ends up being quite a lot of money if you buy an annual plan. If you just want to try it out for a month, you can get 20% off of the monthly plans as well by using the code SONIC85 at checkout, or I will also leave this link in the description and the pinned comment of this video, and you can just click the link. It will automatically apply that coupon code. You can just do a free trial at first, and then if you ever go on to purchase Pictory or just try out the Pro plan for a month, that discount will be built into your account as long as you used the link that we provided when you sign up. Now, if you want a detailed review and a tutorial of Pictory, I have another video that's about 10 minutes long, and I can show you everything you need to do to use the tool and how you can create faceless content with the tool and go on to make money by doing affiliate marketing and content marketing with the video content that you can create with Pictory. So that was just a short video about Pictory pricing, and it's quite an affordable tool. What I tend to do is just do the professional monthly plan with the discount for a few months when I'm using it to make money, and as long as I'm making more money with the tool than what it costs, I'm ahead. If I ever plan to take a break for a few months from creating content, I can just switch off that plan and reactivate it when I get back into it. The other way is just getting a yearly plan. It works out to be quite a bit cheaper. That's only if you have the budget aside for that. Thanks for watching this video on Pictory pricing. If you found this content valuable, do subscribe to this channel and drop a like and a comment if there's anything else you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.